Hello and welcome to Your Finger My Ring. So today I've got something a bit different. This is a Tunisian 100 millim coin. It's not million, it's M-I-L-L-I-M, 100 millim. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. A few Tunisians out there. It's 2008. I'm going to use this as the outside of the ring. Should make a beautiful ring. Okay, first of all, yep, we're going to punch a hole in it. I'm going to use a 1/2 inch punch. I'll make this quite a large ring, I think. There you go, this is the centre. So, let's go over to Big Bertha and whack a hole in it. This is my 20-ton hydraulic press, and this can whack a hole in anything. There you go. Back to the table. Let's see all that rubbish. Okay. This doesn't like unscrewing sometimes, I don't know why. Maybe I should put some oil on it or something. The punches come with it. Let's sort that out. And let's sort that out. If you're new to the channel and like what you see, if you look at the bottom right hand corner of this video, you'll see a little red button. If you hit that, you'll automatically be subscribed. So you can see it's a bit rough on the inside, so we have to clean that up. Otherwise, when you come to fold the coin, you're going to split it. And who the hell wants a split ring? I certainly don't. It sounds rather painful to me. How's everybody doing? I think I used my Dr. Gadget gizmo. This just makes it easier to hold. I think I've got quite a bit to cut out of this. Any of you people been to Tunisia? This doesn't want to hold it. So, go back to old handy pandy. It should be a pretty ring when it's done, if everything goes well. You don't want any cracks or scratches on the inside. Okay, that seems pretty good. Bit of wire wool just to make sure. There you go. It's cleaned up quite nice. Pretty sexy, isn't it? I love it. Shame we didn't get all the date on there, but... Right. Now I need to fold it. And the side you want on the outside of the ring is the side down. So that's too small. And that's just right. Alright, let's anneal it. Let's give it a bit of fire. I actually changed my gas butter this morning, so I've got plenty of fire now for a few days. Is that flame changing to orange? That means it's annealed. If you want to check out my shop, you can do. It's yourfingermyring.com. Or if you want to send me an email, it's yourfingermyring@proton.me. There you go. Beautiful, eh? Nice and level you want it, or as level as you can get it. That's pretty good. Let's go to big red and fold it. Oh my god, the knees are out again. Sorry about that. Right, let's fold it. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, that is fully folded. Looks pretty good, pretty clean. Right, let's give it a bit more fire. Should do it. Dry it off. Right, let's go to the ring stretcher. Oh, I call him Spike. Okay. A bit of kitchen roll. This stops the coin from losing its detail on the inside. I've got quite a good selection of UK coins and Finnish coins, or you can send me your own. What size we got? This is 10, just over 10 3/4. This is US size. All my ring sizes in my shops are going to be EU size. So if you're in the UK, you've only got to go to you can Google to get a conversion chart. You can probably hear the fan in the background. It's quite a warm day today. Right, what size we got now? 12 1/4. That just fits my my little finger. So we give it a couple more pumps on spike. That should do. We're now at a size 12 1/2. So let's clean it up a bit more sandpaper. There's a little bit of a ridge there. This is just fine sandpaper. These are my girlfriend's emery boards. Let's get a better one. That's a bit coarser. I have one more of these coins left. I go to a charity shop sometimes. They sell bags of like different coins, so I buy them up, and a lot of them are no good, but you sometimes get some nice ones in there. That's better. Let's just do the there you go. Beautiful. Right, let's you see it's got a bit of a cone shape to it, so we want to straighten that out. Let's try it. I might have to anneal it again, see what happens. That's the one. No, it's good. Focus. A bit more. I mean, these make great gifts as well. Birthdays, Christmases. I mean, a lot of my coins, English and Finnish, have got good dates. So if it's somebody's birthday, or you know, you want to make them something, a nice gift, that's nice. Look at that. Walls are nice and straight. A pretty looking ring. What size we get it in the end? You always measure from the reeded side because it's the thickest part of the ring. That's 11 1/4. As near as damn it. So now we can give it a bit of a polish. I'll polish the inside of the ring. I don't polish the outside. I'll give it a satin look. That means you can see more detail. polish. Okay. Right, see how that looks. Like my rings, if you'd like the outside highly polished, I can do it for you, not a problem. But I think the satin look, you can see more detail. You can see it's a coin on your finger. That's inside. That's pretty as well. I'll try and get on some of these Tunisian coins. They're beautiful. Look at that. Right, let's do the outside. Like I say, I'd like to do this by hand, but since my bike accident years ago, after 5 minutes of rubbing and twisting, my right wrist says, okay, pack it in, fella. What have we got? There you go. One Tunisian 100 millim coin ring. Size 10 1/4. Fits my little finger. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. And I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, press that little button, bottom right hand side corner. And I'll love you forever. Take it easy. Bye bye.